Okay, to access the thermistors, we're going to first remove the top cover. Power is already disconnected from this unit, so I'll start by removing the 10 screws. There's 4 on the side, 6 more on top. It's going to be a standard Phillips head screwdriver. Go ahead and take those out. Okay, now that the 10 screws are removed, we can go ahead and pop this top cover off. Gently lift up on it, and I like to slide it over here and hang it on the edge. Now the wires are there. Interestingly, they are pretty short, so you don't want to tug on those. You just want to kind of lean it over and let the top rest on the side of the casing so that it does not press against the wires and potentially cut through the cover and cause any issues. Now at the top of the water heater removed, you're going to have access to all 4 thermistors. 2 are down here. You can see the yellow wire for the suction thermistor, the gray wire for the evap thermistor. Here's your white wire to your ambient thermistor, and they're all held on with these clips, so they'll just pop right off. And then our blue wires for the discharge thermistor are right down here. You can see the top of the thermistor right there. Okay, to remove any of these thermistors, first access them. If there are any zip ties in the way, you may have to first clip those off. Then you can peel back the insulation carefully. There is a material here that's There is a material here that helps hold them on. It is like a sticky tape, and then the thermistors will pop off. There you can see there that this sticky substance will just kind of peel back, and the thermistor can pop right out of this clip. All of these thermistors are held in with clips, and you can just work those out. And there it is right there. Installation is the same, just in reverse. Clip it back into the clip. Snap it back on into place. And you can smush the sticky stuff back on top. Put your insulation back around. And if you need to add a zip tie, go ahead and do that at that time, and you're done. So same with the other ones. Here's the yellow thermistor. And it's the same with the other 3. Here's the evap thermistor. If there's a zip tie in the way, remove that. And then you can pop the thermistor right out. Pop it out of the clip. Pop it back into place. Re-insulate. Zip tie as needed. The ambient air temperature is the easiest to access, right up here on top. Snap that off. Put your new thermistor in. Snap it right back on, and you're done. Discharge thermistor. If there's any zip ties in the way, go ahead and get those out of the way. Then you can snap that off. And there it is. Put in your new thermistor, snap that back in, reinstall your insulation, zip tie as needed, and you're done. Okay. Disconnecting all of these thermistors is the same. I like to use a little flathead screwdriver. Depress this button right here. And it comes right out. Reinstallation, only one way. Line the plug back up, snap together, and you're done. Once you're done inside of the water heater with your thermistors, go ahead and take the top, twist it back into place carefully, line up your screw holes, put your 10 screws back in, and you're done.